today I'm going to be making minted lamb burgers. Now this recipe actually makes 4 burgers and it is a bit of an ouch because it does come up to 8 points per burger. The reason for that is because it's not lean lamb mince. I couldn't get hold of that, so I'm just using this, and my husband's going to have 2 of these. I'll have one with, you know, if you're having a healthy and filling day, you can have, like for instance tonight I'm having a bit of salad with mine, and I'm going to have some homemade chips with it. So but yeah, it's completely up to you how you do it. The other burger I will save for myself for lunch tomorrow. So what you're going to need for this is 500 grams of lamb mince. In this bowl here I've got half a red onion, which is half grated, and then the rest of it is chopped into little chunks because I like to see that in my burgers. This is optional of how much you like of garlic. Me and my husband love garlic, so in here I've got 2 large cloves crushed. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of fresh mint chopped up. You're going to need some salt and pepper, and you're going to need half a teaspoon of dried oregano. No, not half a teaspoon, a whole teaspoon. So in a large bowl I've added in all my ingredients, and I'm just going to give this a really good mix up. Now that it's all mixed, I'm going to make this into 4 patties, and by doing that I just split this one way and like that, and then I just use my hands to pull out each corner and turn it into a patty. Once you made your patties, I'm going to cover this with some cling film and put this in the fridge until I cook them off later this evening. Okay, so it's now evening. I'm about to cook my burgers. I've sprayed them all with a little bit of fry light. You can either cook these in a frying pan, but I'm not going to because it releases too much fat. I'm going to cook these on under my grill because it will drain all of that fat out, so you're getting rid of all of that. Cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes until they look like they're done. Flip them over, spray some fry light on them, and then cook them off, and I will show you when they're done. And there we go. Here is my dinner for this evening. Here is my minted lamb burger, my little scatter of chips and some lettuce. As always, if you do try this recipe, please let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.